Okay, my recording stopped, so I had to start the second part of a recording. So sorry about that. I wasn't aware that my phone was actually going to do that. But what I was saying in the previous one, once you stir always before you get it out, stir it real good, especially if you still got it on the heat. In this case, I'm trying to finish getting it cooked, which is what I'm waiting on now, is the noodles to soften up so that I'll know that it's ready. But what I was saying there earlier was take your spatula after it's done cooking and get however much you want and put it on the plate. And then after you got it on the plate, take your sauce and pour over it. That's your final to fixing taco salad. Now you can actually eat this with taco shells if you want to, but this is designed to eat with any type of bread you want to eat. If I had garlic bread, that's what I would use. But that's what I made it for. That's how I made it the way I made it. Is to give you, you make it this way and you can add whatever you want to. Like me, I like garlic bread, so I'll use garlic bread. Butter bread, peanut bread, any type of bread that you like, you can eat that with this. I like it with garlic bread because garlic gives it a good flavor. It gives it flavor while you're eating it. It gives you that texture flavor to it too. And they're really thick. So basically, this is what I call taco salad. It's ready to, once the noodles itself is done, it's ready to eat. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Please comment. Go to my website, jgdouglas.webs.com. Visit me on Facebook, Jeffrey G. Douglas 944, all one deal there. It's on my profile. If you go there, jgdouglas.webs.com, you can go from there to the other websites that I have up. Hope to hear from you. Hope you want to learn to cook. Hope that you're able to go to the store and get this. At this point, I'm going to tell you it's a pound of ground beef, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 small can of tomato paste, and 1 can of puree, tomato puree. Then you'll need a pack of seasoning or whatever kind you want, and then you'll need the sauce to go over the top of it when it's done, and whatever type of noodle you want to use. Ramen noodles, like I used here with color in it, or the macaroni noodles like you use in macaroni and cheese. I've used that quite a bit, but this time I wanted something different. I just wanted the noodles were a little bit bigger, and I figured that would give me a little bit better taste. And getting it completely done and cooked is going to be the issue now. Like I said, about 45 minutes, maybe an hour's top. I'm taking my time. I'm not in no hurry to get this done. So this is a late afternoon thing, getting off from work. Please the kids, please the family, quick food. Serve anything else you want with it. Add mushrooms, add anything you like to it to enhance however you like. Hope you like the video. Once again, visit me at jgdouglas.webs.com, and hope to hear from you and hope to get good comments, and appreciate you watching my video.